The Magic Mill food dehydrator machine with 7 stainless steel trays, also known as the MFD7070, is a versatile appliance designed for drying various foods such as jerky, dog treats, herbs, meat, beef, and fruit. It offers several features to enhance the drying process and ensure food safety. Let's go over some of its key features. 1. Stainless steel trays. The dehydrator comes with 7 stainless steel trays that provide ample space for drying a variety of foods. Stainless steel is durable, easy to clean, and ensures even heat distribution. 2. Digital timer and temperature control. The dehydrator is equipped with a digital timer and temperature control settings. This allows you to set the desired drying time and temperature based on the specific food you are drying. Having precise control over these settings helps achieve optimal results. 3. Keep warm function. The dehydrator features a keep warm function, which allows you to maintain a low, steady temperature after the drying process is complete. This feature is useful for preserving the freshness and taste of the food until you're ready to consume or store it. 4. Safety overheat protection. The appliance is designed with safety in mind. It is equipped with overheat protection, which automatically shuts off the dehydrator if the internal temperature exceeds a certain limit. This ensures the prevention of any potential accidents or damage. 5. ETL approved. The Magic Mill food dehydrator is ETL approved, indicating that it meets the safety standards set by Intertek, a global testing and certification organization. This certification ensures that the dehydrator has undergone rigorous testing and complies with industry regulations. Overall, the Magic Mill food dehydrator machine with 7 stainless steel trays, MFD7070, offers a reliable and efficient way to dehydrate a wide range of foods. Its stainless steel trays, digital timer and temperature control, keep warm function, safety features, and ETL approval make it a popular choice among users who are looking to preserve and enjoy homemade dried snacks, jerky, and other food items.